In this video, we will look at the 5 best drugs to improve erection and potency. Already talked about some, more detailed videos about them will be shown in the tips. You can watch them later, and about some yet, so I'm sure the information will be useful. Like and subscribe to our channel, so as not to miss our new useful videos, because we are telling the truth about medicines. And so the most expensive, most popular and most prescribed drug to enhance erection is the German Viagra. The substance of Viagra is sildenafil. The most popular and running dosage is a pack of 2 tablets of 50 mg. Drugs to enhance erection are often taken by healthy men without problems with erection and potency in general, taking the drug 2 to 3 times a month, in view of especially important intimate moments or events in life, to be sure that an erection will definitely come, reaching the maximum effect an hour after taking the pill before meals. Such healthy men without visible problems with erection do not need a large package. The duration of all these drugs is on average 4 to 5 hours, then their effectiveness will decrease, but for a couple of months 2 to 4 tablets will definitely be enough. Especially since you can always divide the tablets into several parts. The dosage of Viagra tablets is 25, 50 and 100 mg, but it is better for healthy men not to start with the maximum dose, otherwise you will get side effects. Facial flushing, decreased pressure, headache, abdominal pain, dizziness, nasal congestion and dry mouth. Take a tablet of Viagra with a dosage of 25 mg or divide in 50 into 2 parts. Wash down with a glass of water at room temperature. The effect will be achieved in an hour. But remember that Viagra and all other drugs on sildenafil only work if there is sexual stimulation and arousal. The second drug is Cialis tablets. This is an American drug. The effective substance is tadalafil. Cialis is a treatment for erectile dysfunction, impotence, erectile dysfunction in men. The drug dilates the blood vessels of the penis during sexual arousal. As a result, blood circulation in the penis increases, and this in turn contributes to the onset of a stable erection, which allows for a full-fledged sexual intercourse. The dosage of Cialis tablets is 5 mg and 20 mg. It is also used to treat lower urinary tract symptoms in patients with benign prostatic hyperplasia. In third place we put the drug Maxigra, made in Poland. The active substance here is sildenafil. The typical adult dose of Maxigra is 50 mg once a day, not more than 100 mg in one day. The maximum dose for adults of Maxigra is 100 mg per day. It takes 1 hour for this medicine to start its action. We put Levitra and Staxyn in 4th place. The active substance of these drugs is vardenafil. Dose information. Initial dose 100 mg orally once a day as needed approximately 60 minutes before sexual activity. Increase to 20 mg or decrease to 5 mg based on efficacy and tolerability. Maximum dose 20 mg once a day. Well, in 5th place we put the drug Stendra. Stendra is the brand name of medication called tadalafil, which was approved by the FDA for treatment of erectile dysfunction in 2012. Stendra can work for up to 6 hours, which means that Stendra lasts about as long as Viagra, sildenafil, and starts working faster than Viagra. The half-life of Stendra is 3 to 5 hours, so the effects of the medication may be noticeably reduced after several hours. Stendra is available in 3 dosages. 50 mg, 100 mg and 200 mg. The 100 mg dose is the typical recommended starting dosage for most men. For men with mild erectile dysfunction or who experience side effects with the 100 mg dose, your provider may recommend the lowest 50 mg dose. If the 100 mg dose is not effective for treating your erectile dysfunction, your doctor can prescribe the highest 200 mg dosage of Stendra. It is generally recommended that men take the lowest dose that works for them. All drugs from the video are effective, but reduce their effectiveness and duration of action from fatty foods and alcohol, although it is acceptable to take them with alcohol. A glass of dry red wine not fundamentally reduce the duration of action and will not cancel the effectiveness of the drug. The main thing is not to drink tablets with alcohol. For this it is better to use a glass of water at room temperature. Taking sildenafil and tadalafil on women is not effective. The drugs will only increase the blood flow to the genital organs in your partner, without causing sexual arousal, since the mechanism of action of drugs to increase erection in women and men works differently. And that's all we have. Like this video and subscribe to the channel.